Hello, I am Santosh Babanrao Gaikwad, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Let Pundlikrao Gauri Arts and Science College, Shirpur Jain, District, Washing. In today's lecture, we are discussing about five-membered heterocyclic compounds. In five-membered heterocyclic compounds, we are focused on pyrrole. Before we start this lecture, we overlook on objectives of today's lecture. First is general introduction about heterocyclic compounds. Second point is nomenclature of some five-membered heterocyclic compounds. Third point is introduction of our target molecule, that is introduction of pyrrole. Fourth point is some synthetic methods of pyrrole. Next point is physical properties of pyrrole. Next is molecular orbital picture of pyrrole. Next is resonance structure of pyrrole. Then acidic and basic nature of pyrrole. Then orientation of electrophilic substitution reactions. Finally, we study some electrophilic substitution reactions of pyrrole. Now we discuss about introductory part of heterocyclic compounds. First, we have to know about heterocyclic compound. What is heterocyclic compounds? It is a cyclic compound in which one or more of atom of the ring are heteroatom. Heteroatom is an atom other than carbon. Name heteroatom come from Greek word heteros, means different. Several of atoms like nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen, scandium, phosphorus, boron, arsenic, etc. can be inserted in the hydrocarbon ring structures. Heterocyclic compounds make up a most important class of compound. More than half of non-organic compounds are heterocyclic compounds. Almost all the compounds we know as drugs, most vitamins and many other natural products are heterocycles. Alkaloids are natural products containing one or more nitrogen heteroatom that are found in the leaves, barks, roots and seed of the plant. Now we see some examples of five-membered heterocyclic compounds with their nomenclature. Serially we can see stibol, arsol, bismuth, borol, furon, silol, stanol, phosphol, selanophene, thiophene, tellurophene and finally pyrrole. Now we come on our main topic, pyrrole. It is a five-membered ring containing nitrogen as a heteroatom. It occurs in tar and bone oil. Its IUPAC name is azacyclopenta-2,4-diene. Azacyclopenta-2,4-diene. Naturally occurring compounds like chlorophyll, alkaloids, hemoglobins, etc. contain pyrrole nucleus. The main reason for the study of pyrrole come from the work on the structure of hemoglobin, which is the blood respiratory pigment in the human body. And the next most important pigment is chlorophyll, which is the green photosynthetic pigment of plant. These pigments are most important part of human body and plant respectively, whose nucleus is pyrrole. Now we study about some synthetic methods of pyrrole. First is a synthesis from formaldehyde and acetylene. When acetylene reacts with formaldehyde in presence of cuprous acetylide gives intermediate product 2,4-butadiol, which reacts with ammonia under pressure gives our final product pyrrole. Next synthesis from acetylene and ammonia. Pyrrole may be synthesized by passing acetylene mixed with ammonia through red hot tube. The next synthesis from succinimide. Pyrrole can be synthesized by distilling succinimide with zinc dust. Next from furan. Pyrrole can be manufactured by passing a mixture of furan, ammonia and steam over heated ammonia as a catalyst. These are the synthetic methods for preparation of pyrrole. Now we synthesized pyrrole, but we have to know the physical properties of prepared product. Pyrrole is a colorless liquid of boiling point 129 degrees Celsius or 402.2 Kelvin. Pyrrole is sparingly soluble in water but readily soluble in alcohol and ether. It is readily darkened on exposure in air and finally forms a resinous mass. Now we discuss about molecular orbital picture of pyrrole. It is a 5-membered cyclic ring structure made up of 4 carbon atom and 1 nitrogen as a heteroatom. In orbital picture diagram of pyrrole, each nitrogen atom is in the state of sp2 hybridization and joined to the adjacent ring atom by means of sigma bond formed by the sp2-sp2 overlap. Also, each ring atom is attached to the H atom by means of sigma bond formed by the sp2s overlap. Hence, there is formation of 3 carbon-carbon, 2 carbon nitrogen, 4 carbon hydrogen and 1 nitrogen-hydrogen sigma bond. All these sigma bonds lies in a single plane and are at 120 degree from each other. There is a 1p electron with each carbon atom and 2p electrons with nitrogen atom in their unhybridized p orbitals. These p orbitals are perpendicular to the plane of sigma bond and are parallel to each other. Lateral overlap of these 5 p orbitals gives rise to the formation of delocalized molecular orbitals, that is pi electron cloud, above and below the plane of the ring. The pi molecular orbital contains a total number of 6 electrons referred as an aromatic sextet. This pyrrole is aromatic in nature, satisfying the Huckel's 4n plus 2 pi electron rule where n is equals to 1. Next is the resonance structure of pyrrole. Pyrrole is a resonance hybrid of following 5 resonating structures. They have tendency to react by electrophilic substitution due to appearance of negative charge on carbon atom due to the delocalization as shown in following resonance structures. The main resonating structures are first, second and third, which are shown below. Resonance of pyrrole start from unhybridized lone pair on nitrogen. At the last, resonance hybrid structure is given. Now we study a basic nature of pyrrole. Pyrrole is a very weak base whose pKb value is 8.4. When pyrrole reacts with dilute HCl to give crystalline pyrrole hydrochloride. Reason for the weak basic character of pyrrole is that the lone pair of electron present on nitrogen is involved in the formation of delocalized pi molecular orbital. Due to the involvement and availability of lone pair of electrons of the nitrogen atom for protonation is very much decreases and the resonance energy of the pyrrole molecule is lost. Hence pyrrole is a weak basic in nature. We discuss about basic nature of pyrrole, but it is also weak acidic in nature. What is the reason behind it? Pyrrole is not only the weak base but also a weak acid whose pKa value is 15. This shows reaction with solid potassium hydroxide gives pyrrole potassium. The reason for the acidic character the pyrrole is that the electron pair delocalization from nitrogen make it positively charged. This increases the possibility proton abstraction giving pyrrole anion. Pyrrole anion is stabilized by delocalization of negative charge over the ring. This is shown in the given resonance structure, which shows the stability of pyrrole anion. Now, study the orientation of electrophilic substitution reaction on pyrrole. Before we start electrophilic substitution reaction, we have to know what is electrophilic substitution. It is a replacement of the hydrogen atom from the ring system with electrophile, that is nitro, sulfonyl, halo, etc. groups which are electron deficient species. Electrophile always attack at the position of aromatic ring, which gives more stable intermediate carbocation. Now we compare stabilities of intermediate carbocation of the obtained by attack of electrophile at position number 2 and 3. Attack at position number 2 gives an intermediate carbocation with 3 resonating structures. At position number 3 gives intermediate carbocation with 2 resonating structures. Position at which more number of resonating structure forms gives more stable product. Hence, intermediate carbocation obtained by attack at position number 2 is more stable than the position number 3, which is shown below. Now we study electrophilic substitution reaction of pyrrole. First reaction is Willsmeier-Huck reaction, in which it is a reaction of pyrrole with phosphorus oxychloride or dimethyl formamide produce pyrrole to carboxylaldehyde. Next reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In this reaction, pyrrole reacts with acetic anhydride at 523 Kelvin temperature, gives product 2-acetyl pyrrole. The next reaction is sulfonation reaction. In this reaction, pyrrole on sulfonation gives 2-pyrrole sulfonic acid. Next reaction is reduction reaction. In this reaction, pyrrole reduced in presence of platinum in hydrogen or in acetic acid at 200 degrees Celsius gives reduced product pyrrolidine. Next reaction is nitration reaction. In this reaction, pyrrole on nitration in presence of acetic anhydride in nitric acid gives 2-nitropyrrole. Next reaction is Riemer-Tiemann reaction. In this reaction, pyrrole reacts with chloroform in sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, which gives intermediate product, which on ring enlargement reaction gives 3-chloropyridine and ring opening reaction gives 2-formyl pyrrole respectively. Next and last but not the least reaction is halogenation reaction. In halogenation reaction, first reaction is bromination reaction. In bromination reaction, pyrrole reacts with bromine dioxane gives 2-bromopyrrole. Next reaction is iodination reaction. In iodination reaction, pyrrole gives 1, 2, 3, 4 tetraiodopyrrole. Next and last reaction is chlorination reaction. In chlorination reaction, pyrrole converts into 2-chloropyrrole in presence of thionyl chloride and pyridine. I think all of you satisfied with this knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.